Not too long ago, we had this client, a physician, and things started out okay. Now, there were some red flags, but things seemed to be fine. She seemed to be very pleasant. But as we got going, we started to get a little bit concerned. She hired us for the common things. She hired us to do social media. She hired us to do blogging. She hired us to do her nurture marketing strategy. She hired us to take her brand, build a voice for her, and engage her patients. But as we started working with her, we realized some things that weren't quite right. First of all, she had a bit of a negative attitude. She would talk about all the times that she'd been screwed over by marketing companies. And then when we tried to get passwords for her website, that's when things really came to light. The company that built the website, they controlled those passwords. And not only could we not get them, if they're ever changed, that company would actually go in and into her email and then change the password so she could not get back in. Well, we looked at the contracts and that company was actually not off base. It turns out she was actually very difficult to work with. The reality was she had a very negative attitude and she had the wrong mindset around marketing and business in general. How are you doing today? My name is John Arnott. This is Business Mastery. And today we're going to talk about marketing mindset. First, I'm going to ask you a favor. You click on the like, give me a little comment, and if you like what you see, click subscribe and hit the bell so that you can hear more from me. What you believe is your reality. What you think, good or bad, is what happens. And while that is true in life, that's also true with your marketing. Those that tell you stories about how their marketing never worked or how the agency they used just wasn't right for them, oftentimes what you find out is they actually never believed their marketing was going to work for them to begin with. But let me ask you a question. Do you truly believe in the services you offer? Do you believe that what you do and what you provide is something that can change lives? Do you believe with all your heart that you're providing true value to your customers, your clients, or your patients? Are you unsure? If so, you need to take a close look at your mindset and see what you're doing. And there's an easy place to start. Now, maybe this uncertainty actually has nothing to do with how you deliver your service or how you serve them. Maybe this uncertainty has more to do with you not completely knowing how you differentiate yourself in the market and what you offer your market. After all, it could be great, but if you're not really clear about it, you are going to be uncertain, which affects your mindset and it affects the overall marketing strategy. Now, if this is the case, what I would encourage you to do is click the link above. I created a 3-video series on the marketing checklist. Go through the marketing checklist and make sure that you've accomplished each thing in there. And I think that will help you think about some of these things. And once you feel really good about that, then we can move on to the marketing. So let's try something together. Have you crafted the ideal script for your prospect? Do you know what your ideal customer, client, or patient looks like? Who is that person? What problems are they facing? And why is it they can't overcome those problems on their own? What makes you the authority? Why should I trust you? What makes you different? And what is your plan? How are you able to solve your ideal customer, clients, or patient's problem? What is it that you want them to do first? Do you want them to pick up the phone and schedule a consultation? Do you want to fill out some online form? What is it you want them to do first? And now, if they do follow your plan, what is the benefit? What is that great ideal outcome that you are giving them that they could not have gotten on their own? And if they don't do what you asked or they don't follow your plan, what is the negative result or the impact? Can you answer all of these questions honestly and confidently? If you are able to answer all of these honestly and confidently, you are in a great position. But if you're not, that's where doubt creeps in. And that's where your marketing sometimes doesn't work the way you expect. And the reason it's not working the way you expect is because you don't have the mindset that what you are building and what you are putting out in the marketplace is actually optimal. So what you need to do is you need to look closely at your marketing partner. Are they helping you think through these things? Is that marketing partner helping you identify that ideal customer, client, or patient and helping you answer all the questions I just asked? And if they are, then you should trust that the marketing is going to work for you. Have the mindset that I have set my plan in place. I know who I am, what I offer, and who I serve. And my partner will execute on that. And when you go into your marketing deployment with that attitude and that mindset, you will find that you'll be very successful as a business. So what I encourage you to do from this video is give your marketing partner a call. Have they gone through the effort to understand all these questions and understand you? Are you in sync on who you are, who you serve, and what you offer? If the answer is yes, then make sure you clearly understand their strategy, what they're executing for you. And if all that feels right, you have to trust your instincts here. Let them do their job, and you'll find that you'll have very successful marketing programs. Just remember, if you believe something is going to work or you believe it's not going to work, either way, you're right. So have the right mindset in place. Now, if this video is helpful for you, I would encourage you to click the like button, give me a little comment. If you have any questions, put that in the comment section too. If you want to see more videos from me, click subscribe and hit the bell to be reminded. I enjoyed speaking to you today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.